Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook frozen fries in my air fryer. Let's get started guys. Here I have my frozen fries, and you can use any frozen fries you would like. I like mine with rosemary and sea salt. First thing I need to do is line my sheet that I'm going to use in the air fryer. And I'm using regular aluminum foil. Now I could add my frozen fries, which I will only use about 1 cup for a single portion. Now I can place the fries into the air fryer. And I will use the fry setting. And if you do not have the fry setting, just make sure that the temperature is at 400 degrees. And set the timer for 11 minutes. After 6 minutes, we will check our fries and flip it over. And now we will let it continue to cook for about 5 more minutes at 400 degrees. 5 minutes has passed and I have taken out the fries from the air fryer, and look how crispy it looks. You could eat this fries with ketchup, but I like my ranch and sriracha. And sometimes I would like to eat sriracha and ranch together. The nice creamy ranch and the spicy sriracha really balance each other out. Of course, to make the snacks a little bit healthier, I have added celery. This is so easy to make guys. You can even use an oven if you like. If that's the case, you will need to preheat the oven at 400 degrees before putting in the fries. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.